Starting with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, benevolent, who taught us the use of pen and created us from drops of blood. After all praises to Almighty Allah, now I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to teach you can and code. What's the difference between can and code? So let's dive into the lecture. If I ask you, can you hear me? Or could you hear me? So what's the difference between? Is there any difference? Okay. In English grammar, there is a difference. Okay. In some ways, it is totally or exactly same. But in other ways, it has a differentiation or it is different. Like, for example, number one, meaning can and could having the same meaning, like means being able to or able to do something or not to do something. Okay? Could and can both. And these two are also modal words. These two are modal words. And forms we can use can and could in sentence and question and anywhere. Okay? And for which purposes we use can and could? For the below purposes we use can and could, both of them. Like can and could we use for ability, permission, suggestion, request, offer, and possibilities. For these all situation or whenever we are creating this kind of situation or whenever we are in this kind of situation, so we use can and could. So before that, we will discuss that can in present and could in past. So now we will discuss the time. So in present, if I say I can play cricket, here I'm talking about the time. It means if I say I can play cricket, it means now I can play cricket. I have ability at the moment to play cricket. Or if I say I could play cricket, it means I was able to play cricket when I was young or I was 20 between to 30, but now I can play cricket. It means I'm showing the time. The difference is here the time. In present we use can and past we use could. Okay, but in some house like can is little bit impolite or casual, or could is more polite or more nicer. Okay, number second, if I say can you help me or can you give me your notebook, it is little bit casual or informal. Or if I say could you help me or could you give me your notebook, it is more polite still or it is more formal. For example, if you when you are talking with your parents or when you are talking with your dearest friend or when you are talking with your teachers or your elders, so you want to show yourself more polite, so you should use could. It means could is more polite than can, and can is not wrong according to grammar, but it is little bit casual or informal. Below you can see these 6 condition or situation when we are creating or want to when we are in this condition situation. So how we will use these two in these kinds of condition and situation. Okay, these are the 6 condition or situation where we can use can and could. Number 1, I can speak English, or I could speak English. So here we are talking about time or showing ability. Like I can speak English, now I can speak English. Or I could speak English, it means I was able to speak English, but now I can't speak English. It means here we are showing the differences between time. We are showing the time, the present and the past. And the rest is, look at, can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? And can you tell me where is the bus station? Or could you tell me where is the bus station? So here we are making a request. Or can you give me your notebook? Can you give me your notebook? Or could you give me your notebook? So it is a request. Okay, got it? And this side is more polite or more nicer than this side. Okay? Number 3, can I borrow or could I borrow? Can I borrow your pen? Or can I borrow 20 rupees from you? Or could I borrow your pen? Or could I borrow 20 rupees from you? So it is a kind of permission. Okay? Can you lend me your car? Can you lend me your car? Or could you lend me your car? It is all about permission. Look at number 4. We can meet you at cafe. We can meet you at cafe. Or we could meet you at cafe. Or you can send me your picture. You can send me your picture. Or you could send me your picture. It is like suggestion. We are giving suggestion. Okay? It is all about suggestion. And number 5, they can take this bus. They can take this bus, or they could take this bus. So it is all about possibility. It is all about possibility. And the last one is I can pick you up from the hospital or from school. Or you can say I could pick you up from the hospital or school. It is an offer. Or I can give you my car. Or you can say I could give you my car. So it is an offer. We are talking about an offer. So in these kinds of situation or condition, when we are creating or when we are already in this kind of situation, so we can use could or can. But actually could is much more polite than can. Or can is a little bit informal or casual. Or could is much more polite or formal. If you use this, it is better. Okay? Now we are going to how to pronounce can and could to show either I'm giving the positive response or giving the negative response. Okay?